Okay children, so today we are going to start the new topic, that is transformers. So transformer is a device. It is used for converting low alternating voltages at high current into the high voltage at lower current or vice versa. Okay, and principle, it works on the principle of electromagnetic induction. If two coils are relatively coupled, okay, and when the current or magnetic flux is changed through the one coil, then the induced EMF is produced in the second coil. This is the diagram of transformer in which we have two coils, primary coil and secondary coil. Okay, so these two coils, when the changing magnetic flux, okay, is applied across one coil, then the induced EMF will be induced in the other coil. So this is the principle of transformer. So here now we will talk about the construction. So it consists of two coils P and S. I've told you that we have two coils. First is primary and second one is known as secondary coil, and it is wound on soft iron core. The coils P and S are called primary and secondary coil respectively. The AC input is applied across the primary coil. Here across the primary coil we are applying the AC input, and the transformed output is obtained across the secondary coil. Now to minimize the eddy currents, because due to the eddy currents energy loss will be there, that's why to minimize the eddy currents we use laminated core. Okay, soft iron core, here it is laminated. Okay, laminated means we will use a thin sheets of soft iron core in this form, and then one over the other sheets are kept. So it is laminated to remove or to reduce the eddy currents. Now the transformer are of two types, step up transformer and step down. So step up transformer is the transformer in which the number of turns in the secondary coil is more than the number of turns in the primary coil. Here we have wound the wire, insulated wire on soft iron core. So if the number of turns in the secondary coil is more, okay, we will represent it by NS, and number of coil in the primary is represented by NP. So if NS is more than NP, then this transformer is called step up transformer, and in this case it is used to change the low alternating voltage at high current into the high alternating voltage at lower current. Okay, so it will increase the voltage, that's why it is called step up. Now in this case NS is more than NP, so and the primary coil is made up of thick insulated copper wire, and the secondary coil is made up of thin insulated wire. Now it converts low voltage at high current into a high voltage at lower current. Second transformer is step down transformer. Okay, in step down transformer the number of turns in the secondary coil is less than the number of turns in the primary coil. So here NS is less than NP. Okay, and in this case the primary coil is made up of thin wire and the secondary coil is made up of thick wire. So that's why it converts high voltage at low current into a low voltage at high current. Okay, so step down word is used because it changes the high voltage into the low alternating voltage.